period. But your behavior
add more things because
So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are on Thursday, and why not? I say let's talk about some of the things that happened this week. So this week was my birthday, and let me tell you guys, I'm very grateful that God did protect me throughout the years that I've been alive, and now I'm 23. And some people doesn't believe that I'm 23. Sometimes people tell me, no, you were 22, you were 20. No, I'm 23. And I have to accept the fact that I'm getting old. Yeah, but getting old doesn't mean I have to stop living just because, yeah, this is my time to work very hard for a future that I need or I want. Guys, and about my birthday, nothing so special that happened. But I'm very grateful because every step that I have to take, I have to learn. And I tell you, I did learn something that day. So another thing I have to tell you guys, if you're watching this video and you're a person people consider you are very weak, let them think you're weak because you're never going to be like other people. You are yourself, and nobody has to like order you. You have to be like this, you have to be this someone. No, never. That can never happen. You might be born in the same family, but your behaviors and the way you took things are very different. So sometimes our parents thinks that just because we grow up in the same house, we're supposed to have the same behaviors. At least like there are behaviors that I don't have to show in public, or there are behaviors I don't have to show my parents. But let me tell you, since day one, I was at school. Primary, I just have to go at school. I come back at home, you are at work, and I just come back home and now no one is there. And by the time you come, I'm very tired, I have to sleep. The only time you and your parents you were together is when like there is family gathering go during the weekends. But I tell you, there are so many behaviors that kids get from different places, school, the people they are around with. So even though someone might be a parent, but it doesn't mean you understand your kids very well. So what I learned this week is, even when the parents doesn't like understand you, you just have to try to be the person you want to be, not the person they expect you to be. Like if you expect me to be a doctor, me, I just want to be an engineer. Or maybe, yes, I'm studying engineering, but it doesn't mean I'm going to end up in engineering. So yes guys, so I hope you're gonna enjoy this video and stay the person you are. Work hard for what you want, and things, even when things are not getting better, but things are gonna get better. You just have to learn the hard way. Other people might learn the easy way. So you just have to know how much you're gonna learn, if you're gonna learn the easy way or the hard way. So that's all for today, and see you guys next week, luckily. Bye.
good morning. It's been a while and a lot has been going on lately. Good things, bad things. I don't even know why I'm taking my camera right now, because I don't know, I feel discouraged, but it's not the time to be discouraged. It's just, life happens. I lost my auntie. Yeah, life. And I just realized I need to be strong. Sometimes you don't have anything to do about it whenever you lose someone. So today I'm gonna start studying for my exams. Like I'm very weak whenever it comes to mathematics. So today I'm gonna try doing that. And yeah, I hope I'm gonna post this on TikTok. This is going to be my vlog mask of day 7. And I don't want to add more things because I don't feel like filming too much. So yeah, if you see this, if you can just go on my YouTube channel and subscribe. Maybe leave a comment of one of the content you would like me to do, or if you want, you can leave your comment here on TikTok. And I feel like I'm gonna post this also on Instagram. Like any question you have, either university question because I'm a UCA student, or if it's life question, like any question you want, like ask me because I really want to take a moment and answer your questions. So I hope you guys just stay well and tell those you love when you can. Yeah, bye. And suddenly I'm listening to music, and I tell you guys, I felt like I got this vibe. so guys, I was thinking to cut my hair again, but this time getting serious. So this song goes, bye bye, go away, negativity away. Please guys, your comments, I know I should not be cutting my hair, but again, this is what I want. Like, I want you guys to see from start. I do it for love. I do it for me. I do it for love. And that is what I'm doing, guys. That is why I'm doing all of this. So, yeah, I just had to give that message. So, I see you guys soon. Back to my YouTube channel. So, I know it's been a while since I posted. I don't know, maybe I don't know why I'm saying hi. So guys, today, I don't know, I was watching a vlog and I was like, why am I watching a vlog while I didn't upload any vlog for the past 3 weeks? So I'm like, you know what, let me just take this vlog. So I'm gonna cook, and I'm not that of a cooker like everyone, you know guys. I'm just going to cook simple things like, yeah, things I can, we eat here at home. So come with me guys, let's cook what we have to cook. Yep.
Yo, we almost fell down because of the wind. My God. Yeah. So I'm almost there. So that's why I told the guy, you know what? Me, I can walk. Plus, he's the person I know, and he's always there to take, like, yesterday for Sabbath, he's the one who took me. Even the last Sabbath, he was the one. So I think I'm gonna keep this guy's number so that it will be easy for me to go to school in these exams. So yeah, see you guys.
Hey guys, I just got home and let me wear this to look more presentable. So guys, I just got home and I gotta do some things, like gotta clean these dishes. So yeah, let's do quick cutting, like cleaning, and yeah, that is it. I love this hoodie. I like uyu mupira ndawukunda, like ni muremure plus uramfubitse, so I'm like a win-win. So let's do the dishes. At the same time, I'm watching some vlogs. So yeah, I was actually watching vlog on my phone and I just remembered I'm a creator too, so I gotta give you guys some content to watch. And yeah, let's watch these dishes because they got no one to watch them. Yep.
Getting sprung, we used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Hey guys. Uh-oh. Hey guys. So this is my outfit. I'm just wearing my normal shoes, and yeah, I'm wearing this. I don't know how we call this style, and my friend, my sister wore this thing, and yeah, I'm going to really just close the windows. This is how I look in the sun. I hope I look good. Yeah. So come with me. I'm going to my SPM exam. I'm leaving the house. Yep. Today I'm gonna walk to school. It's currently 4 something. I hope it's not 4:20, but I'm just walking 30 minutes, then I take a bike. So come with me. Currently I'm late, but I wanted you to see me. You see my natural hair.
Yeah, period. This is what we are going to do 2026. Hair, skincare, it's all good. I'm liking it. I wish I can show you my outfit, but I don't know. I'll ask my friend to capture my outfit for me. So yeah, let's go for our last day for this semester.